and missing. It ain't broke yet, but damn, it needs fixing. Been a while since you kissed, felt like kissing. It's just different. We've been talking about forever since we've been together. Something about a ring makes you think we're better off with all this, but we're caught in between a rock and a hard place. Red wine and mistakes, tears rolling down your face. When I walked out that door, that's when I lost it. Midnight and
touch base tomorrow. I'm gonna have part 2 of this real pain. I didn't see any videos out here of somebody actually putting it in, so I'm gonna do it live tomorrow, probably afternoon in the morning. That was pure hell getting this thing out of here. Took off a lot of stuff I didn't have to. Right there I'm showing you probably don't need to do all that. You can't get the blower motor out the car. I don't know how. I've tried everything. I mean, it's really ridiculous, but I will say this, is just leave it alone and get that other part back in. I tried to buy just one actuator for the top. I have a feeling that could be a problem, but we'll see. Check it out tomorrow. Everything's lined up right now. I got it sitting there to test tomorrow. Also got to test it using my scan tool just to see what happens and reset it once I get it in with the Maxxis IM 608 Pro, I believe it's called 2. So get ready, check it out, like and subscribe.